Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about making money with Etsy's affiliate program. You heard it right. Etsy has an affiliate program that you make money for sharing products. Now, if you want to learn more about it, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this is one of the many videos that I'm going to be adding on my YouTube channel about making money online. So with the Etsy affiliate program, anytime that you share any of their products and somebody buys it, you make a commission from it, which is really, really cool. So this is an affiliate program pretty much. This is how it works. You're like the middleman. Now, to be eligible for the affiliate program, you have to keep in mind you have to have a website with a URL and it has to be approved by Etsy. You have to have an appropriate amount of content on your site. So it cannot be like a new website that you just opened and doesn't have no particular content on it. And you also have to be able to declare the names of your Etsy shops as your own. So any Etsy shops you own, you're supposed to go ahead and let them know. And in the future, if you open additional stores, making sure that you're transparent with everyone. Now, I do recommend reading the affiliate program terms of use because it does have additional information that you should know on which sites is eligible and which sites you cannot promote it on. I'm going to leave the link in the comment section below and you guys could browse through this information. You could click here for the affiliate program terms of use and you could click here if you are interested in applying. Another nice thing about this program is that they have a 30-day cookie. And what that means is that if the customer clicks on the link today, but they don't buy, and they come back like 2 weeks later and they end up buying, as long as they buy within the 30 days from within they click, you still get paid. So as long as they don't pass that 30-day mark. So that's really nice because with a lot of affiliate programs, if the customer doesn't buy on the first click, even if they go back to the company later on to buy, even if it's the next day, you do not get paid. So this is really nice because they do have a period of 30 days that you will still get paid. So just keep that in mind. Let me know if you do enjoy videos like this about learning different avenues of making, whether it's passive income or making money online, in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching.